On today's video, we're going to talk about another partner on the channel who sent me a nice little care box. It's mymromarts.com. When I first looked on their website, it looked like they did heavy equipment, tractor, excavator type parts. Did a little bit more digging, and they do have a decent selection of lawn tractor parts where it could range from ignition switches, starter solenoids, air filters, and voltage regulators, and quite a few other parts, mostly for lawn tractors and things along those lines. So what I'm going to do, I'll get into this. I just want to thank them for sending this, and a lot of information is going to be down in the description as to how you can get discounts, access their website, mymromarts.com, and things along those lines. If you have a lawn tractor, especially like higher end stuff, more higher end residential, semi-commercial stuff, you may find what you need parts wise on their website. So I will get into this care box here, just kind of show you what they're all about and show you what they sent me. Alright guys, I'll show you what it is all in this box from mymromarts.com. They sent me the item that I requested as well as a care package. A lot of different heavy equipment, little posters and stickers. This one's like world's okayest heavy equipment operator. Obviously trying to go on the memes and whatnot that are currently popular. Nevertheless, with a heavy equipment operator, we know the best place to hide a body. That's a little gory, but some of y'all might find that interesting as well. They kind of are on the death and destruction type deal here. Danger, no entry. Real man play in the dirt. Less weight, quick fix. Let's see. A couple more here. Warning, this door is not raptor proof, so maybe a little bit of a Jurassic Park theme there. And let's see. A couple more here. A little bit of a play on that, right? Talking about backhoes. Some of y'all may be interested in this stuff. I'm not into the skulls and everything, but you might be. And I do appreciate anybody who sends stuff to me. So, heavy equipment operator, do not tell me how to do my job. A lot of us small engine people can relate to that, right? Sit there and watch you do the job and then try and tell you how to do it. So a couple of hats here from mymromarts.com, so that's very nice of them. And then I have a 10% off your next purchase coupon code thank you. If you want to join the mymromarts community, you can hit that QR code right there, take you to their Facebook page, it looks like. So remember, they do heavy equipment parts and things along those lines as well. They do have a lawn tractor line, and for the lawn tractor line, I asked them to send me one of these air filters. I just try to keep them in stock. I currently don't have a use for this air filter, but come spring, I'm sure that I will. This air filter is one of the air filters that will fit on a Briggs and Stratton V-twin engine. There are mostly three different types of air filters that go on the Briggs and Stratton V-twins. One of them is that flat paper one. One of them is the round one that's actually shared with a bunch of other machines. And then this one is more of the commercial line. I see these come on like John Deere zero turns and things along those lines that are exposed to a lot of dust and whatnot. They're more of the commercial application or the high-end residential application. Quality overall is good on it. The comes with the pre-filter already installed on it. You can look inside there. There was a couple of little rubber pieces or whatnot that you know, sometimes you have quality fitment on aftermarket parts and things along those lines. But in terms of air filtration, this thing will work just fine for you. Like I said, they've got other air filter applications as well. starter solenoids, ignition switches. If you type lawnmower in the search box, a lot of stuff will come up. Or if you type your make of your lawnmower, like Craftsman over here, then you'll have some items pop up as well. Look, I had to do a little bit of searching to find this, but you may find that something like this or an ignition switch or things along those lines, my MRO Marts might have it for you. So like I said, I don't have an engine currently that will work for this particular air filter application, but it goes on a Briggs and Stratton V-twin, and all of them are fairly similar in how you install air filters, so I'm just going to do this just so that y'all can see. This one's got the, I'll show you the different types and then the type that this fits. So obviously, well, this one needs to be changed anyways, my goodness. Wow. This is the air filter that came on it. This is the round cartridge type. Now, this particular air filter will not fit on to this, but it's literally just as easy as just sliding a new one in to your machine. I needed to change this one out anyways, my gosh. But I have plenty of those, and I wanted my MROmarts.com to send me this one. That way I have it in stock ready to go whenever I have a machine that needs to be serviced. But you can see again, in terms of putting this one on, is very similar in nature to taking that other one off and putting it on. So just have to remember that. And like I said, if you're working in dusty environments or whatever, you need to replace an air filter, this one right here will work just fine for you. So again, I just want to thank MyMROmarts.com for sending me the air filter and this whole care package, and just taking care of people like me, just for reaching out and just letting me have the opportunity to partner with them and test out some of their stuff. You may find some of their parts on their website, something that you might need as well. Just give them a look, type in your manufacturer. Even if you have heavy equipment stuff, you may find stuff that you need on there. But even for the little lawn tractors, they'll have a pretty decent parts arsenal, so to speak, that you may find you may need some. So give them a shot, MyMROmarts.com. I'll put a link to this particular air filter in the description below as well. And any sort of discounts or any sort of additional information, social media handles will also be in their description below. I got this 10% discount code. It might work for you. I'll put that down there as well. And if you want to join their My MRO Marts community. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really do appreciate My MRO Marts for sending me this care package and this air filter that will be used on a future service for a machine that comes in that needs an air filter like this, more of the commercial application Briggs V-twins on like John Deere zero turns and other larger, heavier duty lawn tractors and garden tractors that they put this more commercial air filter setup on their engines. Thanks again, MyMROmarts.com for all of this, and I appreciate your support. It is for your support, or because of your support, that companies like My MRO Marts reach out to me. Thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.